Welcome to Living Clean in the Country. Today we're gonna cook a whole chicken frozen in an Instant Pot and then make chicken broth out of it. So we're gonna add the frozen chicken straight to the Instant Pot. Mine's about 4 pounds. I'm gonna season it. I'm gonna use this coffee rub and 21 seasoning from Trader Joe's. You add about 1 cup of water and then you put the lid on, seal it, and cook it on poultry for 40 minutes. Once it is done, we're going to do a quick release on it and check the temperature of the chicken to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. Now we're just going to remove it from the pot, and there you go, a perfectly cooked, juicy chicken ready to eat. Once all the chicken has been removed from the bones, we're going to add it back into the Instant Pot with all its little bits. And then we're going to add in 12 cups of water. Put the lid back on, seal it, and cook it on soup/broth for about an hour. And let it do the slow, natural release. Now that it's done cooking, we're going to remove the lid and we're going to strain this so that we can remove all the extra bits that you don't need, and then you're just left with this beautiful chicken broth, which you can use in soups or to make rice or wherever you'd want to use chicken broth in. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to make a whole chicken and to make delicious chicken broth. For a full written recipe and for other recipes, please visit littlefoxacres.com. The link's below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.